Have you heard that PRP, the revolutionary hair restoration treatment, might actually cause hair loss? Let's uncover the truth behind this common misconception. I'm Dr. M, and today on Glow Guide, we're diving into the science of PRP and whether it could be causing more harm than good to your hair. PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, is a treatment where we use your own blood, extract growth factors, and inject them into the scalp to stimulate hair follicles. It's a game changer in hair restoration. But could it lead to hair loss? The answer lies in understanding the natural hair cycle. When you start PRP, you might experience a phase called shedding. This is a natural process where weaker hairs fall out to make way for stronger, healthier growth. PRP doesn't cause permanent hair loss. Instead, it rejuvenates hair follicles, improves blood flow, and stimulates new growth over time. But remember, results depend on technique and expertise. Poorly administered PRP can result in suboptimal outcomes. Always consult a qualified professional. So, does PRP cause hair loss? The truth is, it's a temporary phase for many, a sign that the treatment is working. Still curious about PRP or other hair restoration treatments? Leave your questions in the comments below or book a consultation. Don't let myths hold you back from healthier, fuller hair. Subscribe for more Glow Guide videos with Dr. M.